Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back here with another part of the princess box that I received. I'm so sorry for all the glare. Actually, let's move that here. So this here is a 12-month dated planner box set. So let's open that up here. I'm going to show you guys what is all included in here. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm actually just going to move this out of the way. Ah. So I'm just going to take them straight out of the box. So you get a planner, you get some stickers and sticky notes, and you get, can't get it out, a plastic envelope. All right, just making sure that is all that you get in there. Okay, perfect. So let's go through each of these one by one, place that to the side. First thing is the mini happy planner. I'm going to zoom in. So on the front you get a lovely bookmark with Jasmine, spread kindness everywhere you go, and then you have the be strong and courageous, and you've got the gold heart discs there. And then on the inside cover you have, it's actually a very neutral cover. I'm gonna cut this here. And hello beautiful, this magical happy planner belongs to, oh, I missed that calendar. And Belle. Belle is my favorite princess. I love her. So you've got Belle on the front there, and then you've got the calendar, and it is a horizontal layout. There we go. And you've got Mrs. Potts and Chip in the corner, and Cogsworth and Lumiere. Other than that, and I mean Belle in the corner, it is very neutral. Beautiful inside and out. Good, so with the black lines, I love the black lines. Next is Mulan, but I love this divider. It's like the gold dots with the gold crown. So, so beautiful. And then Lunar New Year, so it's Mulan. So it's kind of like a maroon brownish color for the lines, and then there you go, you got Mushu here, and Mulan in the corner, and then her comb. Don't ever give up on your dreams. Beautiful. Next is Jasmine. The bravest thing you can be is yourself. Beautiful. With the black lines for her, and then she's got the lamp in the corner. And Raja. Gorgeous. Next is Belle. Again, so I think the three princesses in this particular one are Belle, Mulan, and Jasmine. But I love this divider. And there's the month. And then the rest, all the weeks are going to look exactly the same as the first 3 months here. So I'm just going to take you through the monthly dashboards. You've got Mulan here. Be strong and courageous. I love that. Just take you through the first page of the month. Again, looks exactly the same as the previous month. Jasmine, I love the gold. I love the gold. Oops. And then the first page of the month. So she has black lines just like Belle does. Oh, there's a little. And then instead though she has purple stars in here, whereas Belle had blue. Do all things with kindness. International Day of Friendship. So I like how they've basically combined certain princesses together, and then that way you could create your own planner. If you did, you know, choose to buy a whole bunch of them separately, then you could kind of create your own planner that way. Oh, this one is my favorite. Like, these types of dashboards are my absolute favorite. I don't know why, but this dashboard with the pattern is my absolute favorite. Nothing in August. Then September with Jasmine. Say yes to new adventures. I thought I was going to say yes to the dress. Thank goodness it didn't. And then September. October. Love this. Love this. Very, very pretty. And then November for Mulan, Be Your Own Hero. And then lastly, December for Jasmine. These are my favorite. All right, so that is the planner. That is the back page and the back, and then the back cover. So that is the planner that comes with that. Next we have, there's some sticker sheets and the Post-its. So let's have a look here. So you've got 3 Post-its here, one for Belle, one for Mulan, and then one for Jasmine. I love those. And then they're actually on a clear dashboard, so you can stick them right in your planner. And then I'm going to pull these stickers out. And you have, I'm going to show you these here. So you've got the sheet for Jasmine. You've got Aladdin and Jasmine there, and the boxes that fit perfectly in a mini horizontal. Next, Mulan. Those flowers are my favorite. But this would be really good for, again, horizontal spread. And then lastly, Belle. Oops, very beautiful. All right, so those, oh, and then lastly, forgot, is the plastic envelope. So this fits perfectly in a mini, and got it stuck there, but that's what it looks like in the back. And you can fit receipts in here. You can, mostly receipts or anything that you happen to pick up along the way, but that is the whole set here. Love the way that it all coordinates together. So you've got the 3 princesses here. I'm gonna put these back in here. The 3 princesses, and it's just so, so beautiful. All right, so these are going to be available on Walmart.com on November 1st, and they'll be available in stores on November 16th. And if you, they won't be available on the happyplanner.com from what I've heard. So I won't have a link for that, unfortunately. And again, for Canadians, because I have never ever seen Happy Planner stuff in my particular Walmart, that doesn't necessarily mean that you guys won't be able to get it in Walmart Canada. I just can't guarantee that it is going to be in Walmart Canada. So I'm sorry about that, guys. All right, but that's it again for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.